Hi guys, welcome back to day 5 continued in Maths Mastery. Here I'm explaining discount and successive discount. Please do watch my full video. Hello guys and welcome back to day 5 in PadhegaThoBadhega Maths Mastery. So we are in day 5 and we are continuing discount in MP. So formula I have just written for you and I'll explain you. Triple discount trick. The question objective is triple discount trick. Equivalent discount. What is equivalent discount? A plus B plus C. AB by 100 into BC by 100 into CA by 100. Don't think minus I have given. Plus AB by C, ABC by 100, 100, 100. That is 6 zeros. That is 6. Question is there. A laptop cost 80,000. 3 successive discounts of 10%, 20% and 15% was applied. Find the SP. Means in a 80,000 discount, a shopkeeper is selling a laptop at 80,000. They here gives 3 discount to the customer. That is 10%, 20% and 15%. What is the price of selling price of the laptop from the shopkeeper? So we'll start solving. So the first question is the discount we have applied. 10, 20, 15. Minus AB 10 into 20 by 100. Minus BC 20 into 15 by 100. Minus CA 15 into 10 by 100 plus ABC by all this 100 into is will multiply. So minus 20 is minus 200, 100 0 goes. This is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is 1.5. These all things I have explained in the percentage in my earlier previous videos, and here it is plus 0.3. If you do multiplication and cross multiply decimal and all, you will get this answer. So what is all this? Minus 2, minus 3, minus 1.2, minus 6, minus 5, 6.5. This 6.5 and this is 0.3. So if you do all this addition plus minus and all, we'll get 38.3. All these things I have showed in the previous videos, how to do the calculation and arrive at a faster solution, so that in exam we don't lose time. So the total will be 38.3%. Selling price is of the laptop is 600. So this is the discount supplier is giving. 38.8%, 10, 15 and all, overall for 38.8%. So selling price is 61.2%. 80,000 into 61.2%. 61.2% divided by 100, that is 0.61. And if you multiply total, we get 48,960 rupees is the answer, which is the supplier selling. So this is all formulas and we have to learn and practice. Question is in a suppose a price is item is getting at sold at 6,000. A discount of 20% is applied, and in that we have to pay 18% GST. When we go to a market and all, we have to pay GST and all. That is the basic. In India, earlier it was the tax and all. The tax has been reformed and it is called GST now. So 18% after the discount. Find the bill amount. Find the bill amount means it is the same thing. The language is the same. SP of this. So the first thing is SP is 6,000 into 80%. 20% is the discount applied. So selling is 80%. That is 48,000. In 48,000, a GST is 18% is applied. So 48,000 in 18% GST. So how much GST customer is paying? 864. So final, what will be the final bill? 48,000 plus 864, because GST is borne by the customer. That is a basic and common sense. 48,000 plus 864, 564 is the answer. So what I insist, read the question and read the question. And see, the question was very complicated. How it is? What is the bill amount? Bill amount means 564. What is the selling price of a shopkeeper is a cost price for the customer. It is inversely proportional. So this is all in the step by step, and what is that? Practice. So guys, this is all the things I have continued for in the discount and all. I'll come with the next topic in day 6. Do press the bell icon so that such type of videos receives your notification and you are there to able to understand what all this subject is all about and what all these guys is going to teach. Thank you guys and have a nice day.